Hello, I am Sunita. Here I am going to discuss Karnataka TET science topics according to the syllabus. Here the topic is light, in that one refraction. Here this is my second class. Those who not saw the first class, first see the first class, then you can follow the second class very easily. The topic is light, in that one refraction. This is the part 2 means second class. Rules for image formation by a concave lens. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis appear to diverge from the principal focus located on the same side of the lens. Here this is the concave lens. Then here if a ray is parallel to the principal axis after hitting a concave lens, it will get diverge. After extending backward this diverging rays, it will meet at the focus f1 on the same side of the lens. Second one, a ray of light appearing to meet at the principal focus of a concave lens will emerge parallel to the principal axis. A ray of light, it will appear to come from principal focus f. It will get emerge parallel to the principal axis. Second one, a ray of light is passing through the optic center of a lens will emerge without any deviation. Here, the ray of light is passing through the optic center. It will get emerge in the same path. It will get emerge to the optic center of a same concave lens. Ray diagram of image formed by a concave lens. When an object is placed at the infinity, what is the position of an image? Then what is the nature? Let us discuss here. The position of an object is at infinity. According to the law, if any ray is parallel to the principal axis, after hitting the refracting surface, it will get emerge. It will get diverge in this direction also. After extending the diverging rays, then they will meet at a single point f1. This point, the image it will form. Therefore, the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Because why it is the nature of the image is virtual means you are getting the image in the same side of the object, same side of the lens of an object. Then size of the image's point size are highly diminished. You can see both the rays, they will meet at a single point. Therefore, the size of an image is highly diminished and also it will be a point size. This one you have to remember. The position of an object at infinity, then you are getting an image at a position f1 on the same side of the lens. Therefore, the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Size of the image is point side and highly diminished. When an object is placed between infinity and optic center, the image position of an image is between f and o. This is the position of an image. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Size of the image is diminished. Let us discuss here. If you keep an object between infinity and O, this is the position of an object. Here also consider two rays. One ray is parallel to the principal axis. After hitting the surface, it will get diverge. After extending backward, it will meet at a single point f1. Then here another ray, if it is passing through the optic center, it will get diverge in the same direction only. Here also these two rays, they will meet at the point a dash b dash. This is the position of an image. Therefore, the position of an image is between f and o. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Then size of the image is diminished compared to the size of an object. Sign convention for spherical lenses. Sign convention are similar to the one used for spherical mirrors, except that measurement are taken from optic center of the lens. Focal length of a convex lens, always we will take it as a positive. Focal length of concave lens is we will consider as a negative. Then lens formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Then magnification formula, m it will be equal to hi divided by ho is equal to v divided by u. Power of a lens, it is defined as the reciprocal of focal length in meter. Power of a lens is nothing but reciprocal of focal length in meter. The degree of convergence and divergence of light rays is expressed in terms of a power. Normally we will use the lens. Some lens it will get diverge, some lens it will get converge. Then what is the capacity of, otherwise degree of convergent and divergence, it will be decided by the power of a lens. Then the formula P, it will be equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, it will equal to 1 by F. Then what is the SI unit of power of a lens? Diopter. Then here 1 diopter is 1 per meter. 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Power of a convex lens is always considered as a positive. Power of a concave lens is always considered as a negative. Let us discuss some of the multiple choice question based on the topic refraction. First question, a light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in the figure. A ray of light entering from medium A to medium B. The refractive index of medium B related to A will be option A greater than the unity, option B less than the unity, option C equal to unity, option D is 0. You know, when light rays enters from one medium to another medium, because of the difference in refractive index, the light ray it will get refracted. Here they are asking the question, the refractive index of B compared to A is either greater than or less than or equal to or 0. Here the correct option for this question is the refractive index of B is greater than the unity compared to refractive index of A. Question number 2. Beam of light are incident through the hole AB and emerge out of box through the hole CD respectively. As shown in the figure, which of the following could be the inside the box? Option A rectangular glass slab, option B convex lens, option C a concave lens, option D a prism. Correct answer is a rectangular glass slab. Let us verify here. If it is rectangular glass slab, if incident ray, if it is incident at the point A and B, then at the point A inside the glass slab it will get refracted, and at the point C the refracted ray it will get emerged. Then here also at the point B the incident it will falls on the glass slab. Then at the point B again it will get refracted. Then at the point D it will get emerged. This will happen only in the glass slab. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Question number 3. A beam of light is incident through the hole on side A and emerges out of the holes on the other face of the box as shown in the figure. Which of the following could be inside the box? Option A concave lens, option B rectangular glass slab, option C prism, option D convex lens. The correct answer for this question is convex lens. Question number 4. In a torch or searchlights and headlights of vehicles, the bulb is placed, option A between the pole and the focus of reflector, option B very near to the focus of the reflector, option C between the focus and center of curvature of the reflector, option D at the center of curvature of the reflector. In the case of a torch or searchlight and headlights of vehicles, the bulb is placed very near to the focus of the reflector because you are able to see an object very clearly. That's why it will be placed very near to the focus of the reflector. Question number 5. The law of reflection holds good for option A plane mirror only, option B concave mirror only, option C convex mirror only, option D all mirror irrespective of their sizes. Law of reflection, it will be valid for all the types of mirror is irrespective of their shapes. Question number 6. The path of a ray of light coming from air passing through a rectangular glass slab traced by the 4 students as shown in the figure A, B, C, D in figure. Which one of them is correct? Option B is the correct answer. See the picture, look at the picture here. This is the rectangular glass slab. When ray of light, when it is incident on the rectangular glass slab, inside the glass slab, the incident ray it will get refracted, and at the point B it will get emerged. Then here, if you trace the incident ray, otherwise if you extend the incident ray in the same direction, then you will get a imaginary line. That line, it should be parallel to the emergent ray. Then here, the line from here to here, it will become shift. This shift we will call it as a lateral shift. If you draw and if you extend a incident line straight, then these two lines, it should be parallel. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Question number 7. You are given water, mustard oil, glycerin and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at same angle would be bent the most? Option A is kerosene, option B is water, option C is mustard oil, option D is glycerin. In the case of glycerin, the light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend the most. The answer is glycerin. Question number 8. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger and middle portion of her body of the same size and that of the legs smaller. The following is the order of combination for the magic mirror from the top. Option A, plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror. Option B, convex, concave and plane. Option C, concave, plane and convex. Option D, convex, plane and concave. Correct answer for this question is option C, concave, plane and convex. In the case of a concave mirror, if you see your head, it will appear big. In the case of a plane mirror, your exact image you will get on the plane mirror. Then in the case of a convex mirror, your image, it will get reduced. Your image, the size of the image is get reduced compared to your original size. Therefore, the correct option C is the correct answer. In which, question number 9, in which of the following the image of an object placed at infinity will be highly diminished and point sized? Option A, concave mirror only. Option B, convex mirror only. Option C, convex lens only. Option D, concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens and convex lens. Here, at the image of an object is placed at an infinity will be highly diminished and point. You will get all the 4 types of lenses and mirror. You will get the same images. In all the 4 cases, if you place an object at infinity, the size of the image will be highly diminished and also point size. In the case of a concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens and also convex lens. Question number 10. Light travels faster in option A, water, option B, air, option C, glass, option D, diamond. The correct answer for this question is light travels faster in air compared to all the 3 remaining options. Question number 11. The mirror having reflection surface curved outward, we will call it as a option A, plane mirror, option B, concave mirror, option C is convex mirror, option D is cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is convex mirror. In the case of a convex mirror, reflecting surface, it will be curved outward. Question number 12. The mirror having reflecting surface curved inward. Option A, plane mirror, option B, convex mirror, option C, cylindrical mirror, option D, concave mirror. The correct answer is concave mirror. In the case of a concave mirror, the reflecting surface, it should be curved inward. Next question, question number 13. The deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called option A, reflection, option B, refraction, option C, dispersion, option D, scattering. You know the correct answer is refraction. A deviation of light from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. When light travels from one transparent to another medium, because of the change in speed of the light, it will get deviated. That process we will call it as a refraction. Question number 14. Convex lens is also known as a converging lens. Option A. Option B, diverging lens. Option C, radial lens. Option C, axial lens. In the case of a convex lens, when light rays falls on a convex lens or after reflection, they will meet at a single point. That process we will call it as a convergence. Therefore, convex lens we will call it as a converging lens. Question number 15. The image which is formed behind the mirror. Option A, we will call it as a real image. Option B, virtual image. Option C, blue image. Option D, partial image. The image which is formed behind the mirror, we will call it as a virtual image. Remember, always the image it will form behind the mirror, we will call it as a virtual image. Thanks for listening my class. Send me your valuable feedback. If you have any doubt in any topic or question, you can ask me. Please follow all my classes regularly. Then easily you can clear your TET exam. Which are the topics I have discussed here? These topics are very important. Therefore, revise the topics, memorize. Then easily you can remember in the exam. Thank you.